I think that's the incline. That's the incline. That's the way.
Mm. Oh yeah. Bro, this is the side way up the incline?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I got 30 to 40 on me. What you got on you, Latars? You got about 10?
Shit, man.
20?
I got about 50 on me.
You got 50,
Yes.
Hey. Man.
Got the original OG, Don Dada.
I don't know what that means.
Water ice cold.
Good morning. I mean,
we heading
you say what?
in the right direction.
Yeah. Let me see. We 8,464 feet. Jeez. I guess all this running this year is paying off. We moving and grooving. Man, what a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yeah, man. All right. We gotta go way to the top. Right here. Sheesh. So we can't so far from Manitou Springs 6.5. Pikes Peak Summit 6.5. So it doesn't even matter. If you turn around, keep going straight, same distance. At elevation 10, 362, 4 hours in. I'm tired, boss. Still got a ways to go though before we hit the tree line. But we getting it. "16 golden stairs." Well, I'm tired, winded. Still going up though. I think I'm gonna need a week of just to recover after this though.
clouds with this.
Man, in the clouds for real. Snowing. Like I said, I'm tired as hell.